Maddie from Relogo, and today we're here for another expert series video. I'm here with Lina, a relocation consultant for Moovaz. So Moovaz are one of Relogo's trusted moving and storage partners. So welcome, Lina.
Thanks, Maddie. How are you?
Good, thank you. So Let's get into the questions. Could you please just give us an overview of what Moovaz does in the company story?
Right. So Moovaz is actually a tech-driven company. So that started with a vision to provide more of a seamless moving experience for all the expats. So we noticed that there's more global talent seeking international exposure and are being increasingly mobile. So thus, Moovaz aims to actually refine this whole experience, this whole process, and revolutionize it into a tech-driven and consumer-centric service for them, actually.
So as a moving company, can you talk us through the elements of your process that makes life easier for your clients?
Our innovative technology lets our customer manage their own move with the help of all-in-one dashboard. This dashboard actually helps them to obtain any information pertaining to their move. It can be with regards to their packing schedule, vessel departure schedule, upload and download also the important documents that they need for custom clearance, and also with their move status. It simplifies the whole relocation process so that our customers' minds at ease.
Yeah, Moovaz is actually quite unique in the way that you guys utilize technology to make sure that there's transparency and visibility throughout the whole move process, right, too?
Yes, correct. On top of that, we work with reliable partners like Relogo for value-added services for anything clients might need in the destination country.
What does Moovaz consider to be key moving advice for people moving to Singapore?
So Singapore has been labelled as one of the popular countries for most expats to relocate due to high quality of life and stable economic environment. But there's a few things to consider before relocating here. So basically, number one is securing a job. Most important advice, I would say. Next important thing is, of course, the housing and accommodation. The relocatee needs to do a proper research for housing. Property costs in Singapore can be really high depending on the location and the type of housing. So it is important to find out more about the type of accommodation and neighborhood to be better prepared on what to expect from moving over to Singapore. The third thing I would say is the culture, the Singapore culture itself. We recommend that one should research about what to do and what to explore in Singapore to enjoy a more fulfilling stay. The last one I would say would be getting the right help. This is the most important tip of all. So with the right help, it would definitely make the whole relocation journey a lot smoother and a pleasant one.
Yeah, definitely. And Relogo also picked up on the fact that finding accommodation in Singapore is definitely not easy. So one of our main services is a home search, and then we did also just launch our co-living platform to help people find co-living or private apartments or service apartments. So what are your tips on packing and discarding household items before moving?
Yes, each country has a different custom restriction, and some items are illegal or even prohibited. So it is important to check what are and what are not allowed into the country. Before packing, it is important to declutter. First, make a decision on what items are to be shipped. A good way to start is, of course, to follow the Marie Kondo's method of decluttering. Yes. To get rid of any of those items that don't bring any joy. The rest of the unused household items can be donated away rather than disposing to prevent wastage. So, of course, after decluttering your items, you can start packing one room at a time. So, most shipping boxes are able to keep things safe, but the total weight will add up. For packing of furniture, clean them before packing. Take pictures, especially when you're taking insurance coverage, and dismantle them accordingly.
What does Moovaz think are some important things to consider when moving during this COVID period?
Yes, with this pandemic causing lockdowns in many countries, many employees and their businesses have been laid off and shut. So many expats have been affected, and as looking to relocate to other countries or even moving back home. So before deciding to relocate, do register with the local embassy of your home country, as well as to stay updated on the latest news and border restriction as part of your decision-making process. Also to check for access to quality healthcare at the destination country. Make sure that the country provides adequate medical support for the people and even for expats. During times like this, we want to be sure that we are all safe and well taken care of wherever we are.
So yeah, just touching on your point from before about finding the right team. As you mentioned, it's really important to find trusted partners, and Relogo and Moovaz do work together to provide a comprehensive package of benefits for our clients. So we frequently recommend our clients to Moovaz because they do offer such a great tech-driven service, and we here at Relogo are happy to help with some other add-on features. But yeah, thanks Lina for your time today.